like and subscribe Anong Sayo TV mo. Thank you.
Annyeonghaseyo mga kaanyong! Welcome to my channel, Anong Sayo TV. Today's video, we will talk about Kim Sun-ho. Only here on Annyeong Chika Update! Kim Sun-ho will leave his agency after 6 years, joining Kim Ji-won's agency. It was reported that the startup and hometown cha-cha-cha star Kim Sun-ho has ended his 6-year contract with Salt Entertainment. An insider informed JTBC Entertainment that Kim Sun-ho and Salt Entertainment agreed to part ways amicably. Salt Entertainment confirmed to Top Star News that Kim Sun-ho's contract with them ends in February 2025. They stated, "We support his future endeavors." It was also reported that Kim Sun-ho have received numerous offers but has decided to join Hyzeum Studio, led by CEO Wang Gyong. They both have history of working to each other through startup. Hyzeum Studio is also home to Kim Ji-won, Song Joong-ki, and many more popular actors. Kim Ji-won previously left Salt Entertainment as well. Kim Sun-ho's latest project is the Netflix series Can This Love Be Translated?, where he stars alongside actress Go Yoon-jung. That's it mga kaanyong. What can you say about Kim Sun-ho leaving his 6-year agency, Salt Entertainment, and moving to Hyzeum Studio? Comment your thoughts below.